fired up the old barbecue here because I'm going to cook me up some steaks. And that's because the weather is turning a little bit cooler and my old straw cowboy hat isn't keeping me as warm as I want. So I picked up something else. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here, turning fall here, and the weather is turning as well. It's actually pretty nice out, but it's a little bit cooler, and my straw hat, while it's great in the summer, and I'll tell you what, actually saved me in a hailstorm. I was out doing some work and needing to get some stuff, and we were getting good marble-sized hail out here, and I had my cowboy hat on, and man, that stuff just bounced off it, dude. It kept me very comfortable, dry, and kept me from getting a bunch of dings in my head, because I don't need any more than I already got. But there's something I always wanted, so I finally bought it. And today I'm really excited because of this. This is a box that just came, and it's got a brand new hat in it, and I have never had a Resistol hat. If you are familiar with cowboy hats, you know the name Resistol. I think more people are probably familiar with Stetson. Stetson cologne, Stetson for her. That's what I wear. But I have always wanted a Resistol hat because it's kind of, I don't know if you'd call it the top of the line, but they sure do have some nice hats. Now, the problem with me is that I was looking at some of the Resistol hats and they are very expensive. Very expensive. Now, one thing I got a lot of is head, but I don't have a lot of money. But I need a good hat and I wanted to get a good hat, and looks like we get the receipt in here. This is a 3X Tucker Cowboy Hat, and hopefully it's in my right size. And I wanted this, and I was looking through the Resistol offerings online, and I decided, you know what? I got a hat. I wouldn't call them giveaway prices or anything, but it's something that I think I can swing. So I also want to show you. That comes with this nice tissue paper that says Resistol right on there. I'm starting to feel like I'm part of the family. Now, here is the hat itself, and I got it in tan, and woo-wee. All right, I can tell you, this 3X is not as thick as like those 10 or 20Xs, which I really like. Man, they feel substantial. But like I said, it's still a pretty substantial hat. You can see here, it's probably 2, maybe almost 3 millimeters thick here. The brim, it's got a nice curve on it, so it should fit. The brim is also bent up on the sides here and kind of comes to a point. If we take a look at the inside there, you can see we've got a leather lining on the inside, a little bow on the back, and right there it says Resistol, kind of like a silk topper in there. And then we get this tag, which I can pull out there. It's called the Tucker, like Preston Tucker, I guess. Obviously, you can see that felt right up here, crown bent in that traditional style. We have that belt in the same material, and then a little buckle right there, silver hardware. Now, let's see if this thing fits this ginormous head. All right on there. It's holding on pretty good. And you can also get one of the straps that keeps the hat on when you're really galloping away on your horse. But man, this feels good. Does this look good? Does this make me look legit? This is nice. Keeping the sun off me, keeping the birds off me, and it's bringing in the women. Now, I tell you what, if you are looking for a hat that not only looks good, shows a little bit of your pride of Americana, shows that you respect the history, the cowboy that made this country, and, like I said, are crazy practical, kept off the rain, kept off the sleet and the hail, kept me working and productive, man. I tell you what, I'm loving this hat. I am so excited to get my first Resistol hat because I have wanted one of these for a long time. Yeah, maybe not the top of the line, but under a couple $100 for this hat. I think it's going to last me a good long while till I can save up my money to get a little fancier one. But hey, if you want to pick up a Resistol hat because you want to live a little bit of that Western life, well, I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.